Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Hi guys, today I'm going to make a very simple Boondi Raita, and it is very much favorable for summer season as because summer has already arrived. So for that what we need is, at first I'm going to put this beaten curd. I have beaten this curd with a little bit of water in it, so I will put this beaten curd. I have near about 1 cup of beaten curd, 1 small cup of beaten curd, and into this I'm going to put this boondi, which I have already soaked in water. Okay, so I'm going to put this boondi and we'll just mix it. And into this I'm going to put sugar according to your preference. I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teaspoons of sugar, and I'm going to mix it. And in this I'm going to put rock salt, near about ½ teaspoon of rock salt, and black pepper powder, and I'm going to just mix it. And here our Boondi Raita, which is very simple and it's very yummy. You can just make it within 2 minutes, so it's ready. Now what I'm going to do is I will put in a serving plate and I will just refrigerate this around 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I'm going to show you how it turned to be. Hi guys, our Boondi Raita is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking. Actually it's very yummy and it's very healthy. You can just have it with your lunch, or you can have it without rice and all. It will be like very yum, and it's very easy. As you can see, I have only used very few ingredients to make that. And if you like this simple recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend, and please do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon beside the subscription button so that you will get notification whenever uploading a new video. And I'm going to come with another recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye guys.